Okay, starting with the integer type problems, we have to fill in two integers, that means from 00 to 99 in the OMR. The value of y pi by 4 if dy by dx whole square plus 2y cot x dy by dx is equal to y square, and y pi by 2 is equal to 1 is a plus minus root a, where a equals. Students, what we have to do, we have to deal it as a quadratic equation in dy by dx. So let it be t square plus 2y cot x into t minus y square equals to 0. That means quadratic equation in t, apply the quadratic formula, get the value of t as minus 2y cot x plus minus root under b square minus 4ac, so 4y square cot square x plus 4y square whole divided by 2a, so 2. So this is t equals minus y cot x, 2 will be cancelled, plus minus y square is common, so the inside term is cot square x plus 1, that is cosecant square x, y cosecant x. So dy by dx is t, so dy upon y is equal to minus cot x plus minus cosecant x dx. So let us integrate on both the sides. This is ln y is equal to minus ln sin x plus minus ln tan x upon 2. In such type of problems, what do? We take the constant also as ln c. So y into sin x is equal to c into tan x by 2 or c divided by tan x by 2. Y at pi by 2 is given to be equal to 1. Sin pi by 2 1, tan x by 2 is equal to 1. So c is equal to 1. That means the solution is y sin x is equal to tan x by 2 or cot x by 2. So considering one side positive sign in the quadratic formula and one side negative sign in the quadratic formula, I have two possibilities. You can also see that answer has two. You can also see that the given form has two values as the answers. I need y of pi by 4. So what is y of pi by 4? Y by root 2 is equal to tan pi by 8 or cot pi by 8. So root 2 minus 1 or root 2 plus 1. So y is equal to 2 minus root 2 or 2 plus root 2. That means y equals 2 plus minus root 2. Simply a comes out to be equal to 2. This is the final answer. We're going to fill 02 in the OMR sheet. Okay, let us move forward to 59. Question number 59, again based on vectors, a simple problem. It says that if vector A and vector B are the vectors given as this, then the value of 2a vector plus b vector dot with a cross b whole cross with a vector minus 3b vector. Let us simplify the inside bracket first. A cross b cross with a vector minus 3b vector. This is the curly bracket I have taken. Okay, we will later take a dot product with 2a vector plus b vector. So this is a cross b cross a minus 3 times a cross b cross b. So applying the vector triple product result, a dot a b vector minus a dot b a vector minus 3 times a dot b b vector minus b dot b a vector. Students, you can very easily see that a vector and b vector both are given to be unit vectors. Also, you can observe that a dot b is equal to 0. So we have a dot a as 1. So b vector minus 0 vector minus 3 times 0 vector minus a vector. So this curly bracket simplifies to 3a vector plus b vector. So what is the answer of the problem? The answer of the problem is 2a vector plus b vector dot with 3a vector plus b vector. So this is 6 times magnitude of a whole square 3a dot b 0, 2a dot b 0, magnitude of b square, that is b dot b. The answer is 6 plus 1 and that is 7 because they are the unit vectors. What you have to fill in the OMR? 0, 7. Okay. Let us move forward to the last question of this exam now. Okay, so let us talk about question number 60. It says that the distance between the plane ax minus 4y plus 2z is equal to k and the plane containing the lines is equal to 2 root 6. Value of mod of k divided by 3 is equal to what? So equation of plane containing the lines L1 and L2 is the normal vector of the plane is perpendicular to B1 vector, which corresponds to the direction ratios of line L1, as well as B2 vector, which correspond to the direction ratios of line L2. Also, the plane is containing the lines, so plane contains every point on these two lines. Equation of plane can be written as determinant of x minus 2, y minus 3, z minus 4. That is the point on the first line, 2, 3, 4. And it is perpendicular to B1 and B2. So 3, 4, 5 and 4, 5, 6 equals to 0. So this is x minus 2 into 24 minus 25, that is minus 1, minus times y minus 3 into minus 2 plus z minus 4 into minus 1 is equals to 0. So we have x minus 2y plus z equals to 0. This is parallel to the plane ax minus 4y plus 2z is equal to k. So comparing the coefficients, we directly get a is equal to 2. Now, the distance between the planes is also given. So what is the distance? So the formula for distance is we have to subtract the coefficient and take the modulus. So mod k divided by under root of 2 square plus minus 4 square plus 2 square. So that will be under root of 4 plus 16 plus 4, that is root 24. In the question, this value is given to be 2 root 6. From here, modulus of k will come out to be equal to 24. You are simply asked modulus of k divided by 3. The answer is 8 and you are going to fill 08 in the OMR sheet. Okay. So with this question, we come to the end of discussion of paper 1. I hope you have learned a lot of new concepts in this particular exam and will see you forward in the discussion of paper 2. Thank you very much.